Discover a hidden gem, unique stay in Spanish nature. Close your eyes and picture waking up to the gentle whisper of ocean air, sunlight streaming through panoramic windows. At Seaside Retreat with panoramic windows in Cangas, every morning feels like a soft embrace. Here, time slows down. You savor your coffee as the waves sing and golden sunsets paint the sky. This is your sanctuary, where comfort meets nature and every detail invites you to simply breathe and be. Book all stays on Aloha Camp. You'll find the link with available dates in our bio.